Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to tell you something that is fundamental to navigating your way around the fretboard. You will never memorize the fretboard unless you know this. So you know your musical alphabet goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And you can see here how that lines up on the fretboard. The basic gist is notes are always a step away from each other unless they are the notes E and F and B and C. Those notes are going to be a half step apart. A half step is a 1 fret distance. Now there's lots of little tricks that we can use to remember the notes. But come on guys, it's 7 letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then they start again. So essentially, you need to remember that if you hit B, like this, then C is only 1 fret away. If you hit E, like this, then F is only 1 fret away. Any other note is 2 frets away. That should help you to get your landmarks on the fretboard. Now you might say, Ricky, how the heck am I going to remember that? Well, I like food, and I like a full English breakfast. So this is the way I remember it. I like my eggs fried and my bacon crispy. So guys, that's another silly story for you to help you to memorize the fretboard. Remember to share this video with somebody who you think may benefit from it. And if you got some value from this video, make sure you hit that subscribe, wallop the like. Until next time, take care.